Hello and welcome. You will learn what is the 369 manifestation code and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video we are going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. There are several manifestation programs on the internet that promise to be able to assist you achieve your goals. The 369 manifestation code is also named for Tesla Nikola, the man who inspired its creation. The Tesla manifestation software was named after its developer, Darius. According to Tesla, you have the ability to unlock and attain your desires. The Tesla manifestation method employs one-of-a-kind audios to assist you in opening your mind, allowing the universe to grant you all of your wishes. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 are said to have the capacity to bring prosperity, health, and love from the cosmos, according to Tesla. All you have to do is figure out how to use these three numbers to make the cosmos grant your wishes. The 369 manifestation program employs 369 Hz audios to change brain waves and cleanse the root chakra, opening the way to wealth and plenty. Negative energy, such as financial stress, relationship issues, and bad health, unfortunately, inhibits the ability to attract happy feelings. What is the 369 manifestation code? The 369 manifestation code is a three-step manifesting method. That is, it is a rather basic technique that utilizes the power of the mind to channel positive energies and assist you in your daily life. It is stated that by releasing these powers, you would be able to attain your goals. Darius, a male, was the one who came up with the idea. He was in a poor financial condition, maybe the worst of his life. The man was in so much debt that he couldn't even meet his basic demands. Then he learned that his partner was expecting a child. He felt desperate at first, but then he realized the answer to all of his problems, the numbers 3, 6, and 9. An acquaintance told him that the sound of 369 Hz was the best method to enter an alpha state, and that this secret had been known for a long time. According to him, the legendary Nikola Tesla was already aware of the mind's power. According to Tesla, the ability to materialize the life you desire comes from inside, not from the outside. These three numbers were also favorites of the scientist, 3, 6, and 9. Someone might reportedly discover the key to a happy, prosperous life by connecting these numbers. As a result, Darius created a 369 Hz soundtrack that makes direct touch with your chakras and opens the door to a lot more pleasant way of life. Who created the 369 manifestation code? The 369 manifestation code was devised by Darius, one of the most prominent manifestation instructors, and is followed by over 1 million individuals. He received 369 audio tracks from a friend, which he utilized in his life, and after seeing how successful they were, he decided to share them with the world under the moniker 369 Manifestation Code. If you don't know Darius, I have found his story for you. Darius had a difficult existence, was lost, and was drained in every way. His financial circumstances deteriorated as a result of his lack of a high school graduation. Despite the fact that everyone felt he was performing well, he was consistently overlooked for promotions. He was heavily in debt and couldn't afford even the most basics. He learned that his fiancée was pregnant one day, and despite his joy, he was worried about how the two of them would handle having a child. He was attempting to come up with a solution without understanding that the cosmos had all the answers. Sebastian contacted him when he was contemplating in a nearby cafe, and they began conversing. Darius was interested by the fact that the guy appeared to have been born with a silver spoon in his mouth after knowing about his difficult existence. Darius heard about the three numerals 369 when he asked him how his life had altered. How does the 369 manifestation code work? The 369 manifestation code is based on a basic 3-digit manifestation code. The 369 manifestation code soundtracks particular frequency assists users in unlocking incredible wealth and abundance of pleasure in their lives. The sacred numbers 3, 6, and 9 are used by Darius, the originator of the 369 manifestation code, to unlock the door to a new alternate and plentiful universe. Hearing audio tracks tailored to a precise frequency allows you to magnetically attract mind-blowing money miracles in minutes. Because these soundtracks can seamlessly connect the user's mind and the world to attract financial independence, riches, health, and pleasure, they are becoming increasingly popular. The entire system runs on autopilot and is unaffected by the user's present financial situation. The 369 manifestation program does not necessitate any physical exertion, nor does it necessitate any new knowledge or mental or visualization methods. To link the user's mind with the universe, the application only requires a total commitment of 5 minutes every day for about 10 days. The 369 manifestation code manifestation program has 3 steps. Step 1. Take some time to relax and listen to the vibration-altering sound for 10 minutes. Step 2. Give yourself some time to go into the alpha brain wave pattern, which is where all the changes happen on a deep level. Step 3. Give yourself some time to enable the new thought patterns and vibrations to take root in your head and generate a new reality naturally. What's included in the 369 manifestation code? Because the music contains a frequency of 369 Hz, using the 369 manifestation code can help you open up new possibilities and unleash abundance. Listening to these vibration-altering music can help you materialize your new world. Your new life might be full of first-class experiences and exotic trips, as well as financial assistance. You'll also receive some bonus songs to help you on your way to a more effective makeover. Bonuses for the 369 manifestation code include: Bonus number 1, Millionaire Mindset Shift. Do you realize that the billionaires you see around you aren't always more gifted or intelligent than you? Some people believe that redirecting your mentality is the secret to success. You will find yourself manifesting more frequently and tripling or even trebling your money if you listen to this audio clip. This alone is worth $97, but if you get 369 manifestation code, you can have it for free. Bonus number 2, the Money Abundance Magnet Moves. Simple practices may make the process of creating riches 10 times simpler. You may study these habits in the 369 manifestation code and use them in your daily life. Bonus number 3, the Money Confidence Booster. The state of your financial circumstances is inextricably linked to your degree of confidence. When you are confident in yourself and your skills, you will attract greater riches. You'll gain confidence in a matter of minutes. Bonus number 4, the Health Chakra Spin. You may be familiar with the concept of chakras. Each of our organs has energy-related wheels spinning around it. If they are rotating properly, our health remains healthy. A shift in their employment might be harmful to your health and cause you to become ill. The audio track is important in this case. It is said to aid in the proper spinning of your chakras in order to maintain optimum health. Benefits of the 369 manifestation code. Users of the 369 manifestation code manifestation program can expect the following benefits. You will have unrestricted money and will finally be financially independent. Assists people in realizing all of their desires. You will be presented with several possibilities that will help you advance in your profession. Make a mental connection to the cosmos. You will discover contentment and fulfillment. Increase the user's skills to attract an abundance of health and prosperity. Money will come in from a variety of sources. Provides an endless supply of possibilities. You will have a more positive self-image and more self-confidence. If the manifestation code does not work for you, you may get a refund within 60 days. You will have no trouble manifesting the riches you require. Reduces stress and anxiety by assisting in the elimination of negative thoughts. You'll have more time to focus on your relationships because you'll have more time to work on them. For individuals who do not profit from the code, there is a 60-day money-back guarantee. Frequently asked questions. What is the money-back guarantee and how does it work? If the 369 manifestation code program does not work for you, simply write an email to the developer to get a refund. How long will it take to view the findings of 369 manifestation code? Based on consumer feedback and testimonials, most customers saw changes in their lives after the first day. However, for the greatest outcomes, it is suggested that you try it for at least 2 to 3 months. Does the 369 manifestation code curriculum need any additional talents or techniques? No, it isn't. To use the 369 manifestation code software, you don't need any additional skills or methods. Can anyone use the 369 manifestation code program? Yes, the 369 manifestation code program is reported to be beneficial to people of all ages, genders, and abilities. What does practicing the skills entail? To listen to the audio tracks, all you'll need is a mobile phone or CD player, as well as a headset. Pros. Simple and straightforward to follow. Without doing any physical effort, manifest an abundance of health, riches, and pleasure. Priced reasonably. A 100% money-back guarantee is included. Because the program is available in digital format, anyone may view it right now. Cons. There are just a few spots available. Only available for purchase on the official website. This is not for everyone. Conclusion. If all other financial alternatives have been tried, there is still hope since the 369 manifestation code can be used. The 369 manifestation code is beneficial to anyone seeking unrestricted wealth. There are additional books you may collect after you have it. It was found by the greatest mind, and the information has now been made available to you. If you have any worries, rest assured that this code has been thoroughly tested and confirmed to function. Financial independence is within your reach, and all it takes is a small investment. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your the 369 manifestation code today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let us know by leaving a comment below right now.